snore. Aiden, you are 25 days old and you're snoring. Listen. A baby snore. Interesting.
Probably not.
That means you're in a coma unit.